Shubor nakaslem jong nongsan hima.
Ka kanhon menteri hene ka sngi kala manjur ban siu bailut ksan na ka banta gitu ki brui ba duno ya ka jingim lani dunano ka khotmet na ka jingsha hiertma ha ki pajbur ya kani ka sarkar kala rai ba ya gitu ki ba duno ya ka jingim ka sarkar kan siu ya ka bailut ksan ka ba arlak tengka bat ya gitu ki ba duno ya ki khotmet ka sarkar kala rai ban siu shilak tengka Kawai pat kamat kabak sorgar kala ai jing manjur kadai halor ka amendment ya ka Institute of Chartered Financial Analysts of India University Act Arhajar San. Kani kadai halor ka jing pen kala ya ka kerteng jong ka school ba na ka Institute of Chartered Financial Analysts of India University Shaka ICFI University.
Was regarding introduction of a scheme for grant of ex gratia payment to victims who are killed or disabled due to incidents of mob violence and lynching in the state. The scheme had been proposed that if a person loses his or her life, then an ex gratia of 2 lakhs will be given to the next of kin, and if there is disability, then 1 lakh will be given to the concerned individual and the family. This was the first decision that was taken. The second was a very simple one, which is an amendment in the Institute of Chartered Financial Analysts of India University Act 2005. They wanted a name change and change of nomenclature. Basically, the amendment is simply restricted to the changing of the name of the university from the Institute of Chartered Financial Analysts of India University to ICFI University. So this amendment is being made. This was the second agenda that was taken up and cleared. And of course this has to be placed in the assembly. No, it cannot go down to all the previous cases, but there are some instances in which there have been some cases recently. So we will apply to that, but it will not be going back into many years and looking into all the cases.
So do we have a number?
No, we don't have a number. And this is being also done because of the fact that Supreme Court also has mentioned this, that there should be a scheme in this line.
Coal laborers who died in...
No, that is a completely different story. Those are incidents and accidents that have happened. So therefore this particular scheme only applies to mob lynching and mob violence and lynching in the state. So this doesn't apply to that.
The question is whether the government will...
That's what I'm saying. It's not applicable. So therefore the question doesn't arise.
Not under this decision.
That we have not examined yet. So today's decision is only the scheme that has come up right now.